There we go, and let's go on with Lightning L-Drago versus Storm Pegasus. And Lightning L-Drago 90 HF, Storm Pegasus 105 RF. There we go. And here we go, the battle will begin when I'm... Okay, now we're doing 3, 2, 1, let it... Sorry about that. 3, 2... Is Lightning L-Drago a left rotation day? He's not listening. Alright. There we go. A freaking dragon sword. Come back out with a good. Oh. Okay, just like in the anime, Lightning L-Drago wins the first match. Like, yeah. And then here we go. Storm Pegasus lost the first round, and now Lightning L-Drago. Lightning L-Drago better listen to me because he's a left rotation Beyblade. If he's not, I'll put you on right. If you don't like it. There we go. Finally. Oh! Knockout! Okay, and Lightning L-Drago stop spinning, so... Just like in the video, Storm Pegasus wins the second. No, I don't think anybody's gonna make a third battle, so I will make it. I like baby. So I will make it. 3, 2, 1. Sorry, wrong babe. Golden L-Drago without. Sorry about that bounce. Just that doesn't listen well. Let it flip. This is active in this. Oh! So I made the third battle, and then Storm Pegasus wins. 105 RF. Don't forget the dragon tip, please. There. And yeah, the other mistaken Beyblade that I spun was my Hasbro Golden L-Drago. That's about it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the battle of Lightning L-Drago. Lightning L-Drago 190 HF versus Storm Pegasus 105 RF. And I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe because I want people to subscribe me. I'm just 9 years old, so I won't make that good videos. But please subscribe, leave a comment if you want to, and